Welcome to Higher Ed People Inc. Please visit us at higheredpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher Ed People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 37309. The job location is in Salt Lake City, Utah. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: good understanding of fibers and fiber optics. Candidates must be from Salt Lake City, Utah. Network equipment installations, structured cabling, fibers and coppers, dressing and doing inventory on copper and fiber cables, unboxing and racking switches, running and dressing power cables. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 3 years.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Higher Ed People Inc. Please visit us at higheredpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Higher Ed People on your favorite social platforms.